this a motherfucking war zone.
Welcome back to Reaper Performance. I've thrown together something new for me, a point of view video, which is basically just me walking around at the end of the night, taking photos of all the cars left at Western Sydney Dragway after a Race for Real streetcar night. Give us a thumbs up like if you enjoy the photos, and leave us a comment if you spotted your car. I really love these events, and they're great to see a big variety of cars from around Sydney, with drivers doing all sorts of different funny things, unlike the super consistent race cars you see on the weekend. My plan was to take photos of all the cars running tonight and have them available on the Reaper Performance Facebook page for people to grab as they wish. My plan didn't work out fully, as I'd left it too late, having spent most of my time videoing the event, and my GoPro settings weren't the best. I think it's too dark for the little guy regardless. Three. Happy with that? That'll do. Yeah, it's hooking up a bit better.
There's a bit of slip just up the line.
Yeah.
So I'm going to bring the RPM down a little bit.
Yep.
It's taking the 65.
Yep. Oh, it's pulling the times down every time, so you're doing something right. Most people had left for the night, and it was a bit rough being my first time doing this sort of thing with the GoPro. Should be easy to improve next time, I guess. Anyway, if you spotted your car and you want a copy of the photo, head over to our Facebook page as per the links in the description below. I'll also put a link in the description to the event video for you if you want, so go check that out.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you kids, it's a fucking jungle out there. Keep your head on tight, unknown brain in mind me, baby, let's do it. Y'all see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, you're too strong, wanna battle with the beast, bring a few on, the commander and the chief for my crew on. Bullets rattling and whistle at your toque. Never sleep, eyes open, hands clutching on my loop. It's a war zone. It's a war zone. Yo, this a motherfucking war zone. Feel the impact, yeah, break it open, leaving nothing f***ing intact. Hey yo, you been hacked, you're safe, hard in, but I found it, homie, been cracked. Hey yo, we been back, your band stacking, see you flexing with the thin stack. Hey, you been whacked, I kill them all, feel the motherfucking impact. This a war zone, homie. Say you ready and prepared. Take a minute, make them aware. Well, I be sneaking in the back, but it's what they clap. Homie, life ain't fair. Caught me crawling through the mud where the vision saw it clearly. Born a shepherd to these sheep, make them fear me. This a war zone, trashed out, trap house, nothing ever given. Yeah, every day's a blessing.
Hi, man.
Yeah, right, self?
Are you a photographer?
Yeah.
Do you have
And
Instagram?
YouTube as well, hey?
You have Instagram?
Yeah, I got mostly YouTube and Facebook. So I got Reaper Performance on
I
YouTube.
found all the cars put on YouTube.
Yeah, you're gonna do. I did one a few weeks ago, and I got one tonight. And I'm gonna do one with all the photos as well. So linking it up.
Do you have any photo? Photo of that car there?
The Civic or?
The Civic.
Yeah, cool.
You want to take
I
it,
didn't
or?
see that there. No, I might be able to get there. I'll get it with the lines.
No.
Yeah.
Not tomorrow.
What's your YouTube? Reaper Performance on YouTube.
Yeah. Should work. Yeah.
Done.
Got it?
I got it.
So that's your Civic?
Yeah,
Yeah.
85.
Yeah.
I kill 'em all, feel a motherfucking impact. Yo, this a war zone, homie. Say you ready and prepared. Take a minute, make them aware. Well, I be sneaking in the back, but it's what they clap. Homie, life ain't fair. Caught me crawling through the mud where the vision saw it clearly. Born a shepherd to these sheep, make them fear me. This a war zone, trashed out, trap house, nothing ever given. Yeah, every day's a blessing. Thank the Lord on how I'm living. See me riding with my top down. Oh, cops round, pedal pressing on the gas. I don't think I'll ever stop.
So at this point my GoPro tripped out and I had to restart it. The last video I tried recording was then corrupted, but I was unaware and kept shooting. So here's the last few photos, including a cool squad of Soarers with all the boys parked together. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one.
I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming. It's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see